If you're thinking about starting your logistics management business, then this is for you, because in the next few weeks, okay, we are going to be launching a course, okay, series of tutorials on logistics management, basically starting a logistics management business. Now, there are two things about this. One, it's going to be, well, there's going to be the academic angle of it, where you understand everything there is to understand about logistics management. And then there is the business angle, where you take all that information and turn it into a business, okay? So that means you'll be able to understand the concept of logistics management. In that case, we're going to be looking at things like the role and activities of logistics management, the concept of integrated logistics, evaluate aspects of competitive advantage that can be achieved through logistics management, as well as the use of technology in logistics management. All those things. As you go through that, in each case, you're going to be identifying business opportunity, okay? Like, wherever you can start, here's a business opportunity based on this, and that's how you can go about it. That's how you can start. And that is not it. You're also going to, my friend, are also going to be in a position to understand capacity planning and control in logistics management, okay? And that means you'll be in a position to analyze techniques that can be applied to planning and control in logistics management, explain techniques that can be applied to capacity management, analyze the use of reverse logistics. Again, as I said, there's going to be the academic angle, and then there's going to be the business angle, which means as you go through those, we also look at it, okay, from a business startup point of view, like how do you go about starting a business with that information. So here's what you can do. Right now, as you download, okay, the PDF, okay, or whatever it is that is being offered here, you'll be part of our list, part of the waiting list. So either the business is already out, okay, or it's going to be out. So in that list, you'll still find resources that will help you with your business. And then once the course is out, you'll be notified. You'll be the first person, one of the first people to access it. So make sure you sign up, and see you the other side.